Ever freeze the second you hit record? Hands shaking, heart racing. What I can do? Voice sound totally weird. You stare at the red light and think, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. Yeah, I know that feeling. I have been there, frozen in front of camera, starting at myself, thinking I'm failing before I even start. But here's the thing, you are not broken, and this fear is not permanent. When I record myself first time, I went through 23 takes. Every single one got deleted. I hated my voice, my expression, and my awkward poses. I even thought maybe content creation just isn't for me. I remember sitting there, staring at the phone, hand fidgeting, heart racing, wondering if anyone could ever take me seriously. It felt hopeless. Then I noticed something. Even small movements, a tiny smile, a single line that came out right gave me a spark of hope. That's when I realized fear is not a stop sign. It's a guide. It's tell you exactly what you need to work on next. Here is the mindset that changed everything. Camera fear is not about the camera. It's about the judgment you imagine from yourself and the judgment you think other will have. The moment you stop asking how I look and you start asking how I do help for this, fear disappear. Think about that. When you focus on helping someone, your energy goes, your words flow complete naturally. You stop overthinking. Confidence, it's not something you fake. It's the natural result of focusing outside yourself. Now let's put into action you can do right now, even before posting your first video. Number 1, breathe. 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out. Calm your body, slow your heart. Number 2, look into the lens like it's your best friend. Imagine someone who really wants to hear you. Your camera is just a doorway to that person. Number 3, hit record and talk for 13 seconds. Don't delete even if it feels awkward, even if it sounds weird. That's how you get comfortable. Do this 3 times a day. Each time you will notice a small improvement. Your voice steadier, your smile more naturally, your words flowing better. And that's how real confidence is built. Small win, one record at a time. You see that transformation? That's exactly what happens when you focus on progress instead of perfection. Even beginner can look and feel confidence on camera, even just in a few tries. You are not scared of the camera, you are scared of the showing your potential. But your story, your voice, your perspective, someone out there need to hear it. Start small, start imperfect. Every video is practice, every take is progress. And if you want step-by-step guidance, join my free 5-day camera confidence challenge. It's designed for beginner just like you to go from frozen in front of the camera to confidence, natural and ready to share your message. Your first confident video, it's waiting. Don't let fear stop you from sharing it.